Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn Claude into your own personal fitness coach. This prompt, this setup will basically replace any personal trainer you have with Claude. I personally use this. It's sick, it's really cool, can't wait to dive into it. Really quick here before I start. All my tools will now be saved into the AI Academy, which is a free school group I'm starting. We already have around 300 members in here, which is super exciting. All my tools will be stored in here free of charge. The entire guide's here, as you can see. So let's hop right into it. I'll get all my guides, all my AI tools from the community in here over the next week. But the reason you clicked on this video, so how to turn Claude into your own personal fitness coach. Now, Claude, it's always free. It's available 24/7. It remembers everything, and it doesn't cancel anytime. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be hooking up our Apple Health, any devices you have, like a Whoop or an Aura Ring, and your calendar into Claude, into a project. So Claude always knows how you slept, how your workout was yesterday, if you're sore, if you're tired, and what you should do the next day for your workout, and it'll help you plan it. So we're going to be connecting Claude to Apple Health and Google Calendar. So it builds personalized workouts based on how you actually slept and recovered. Full prompt is included for free. So what this does, as I've been talking about, this turns Claude into a personal trainer. No generic templates, no guessing. Every workout is built for you based on how you're feeling. Whoop gives a lot of good data for this. Apple Health does. Aura Ring does. They're all great. This whole setup's only going to take about 5 minutes. And once it's done, you'll just have to wake up, open your calendar, and your workout is already there, adjusted on how you slept and how you're feeling. Now, to set this up, it's going to be a pretty quick guide today, but we're going to just run through it. Those of you that have been subscribed to the channel know we do one take every day, new tool, new workflow, and business. Let's go. So we're going to go to Claude AI, boom, and we're going to click on projects, and then we're going to create a project. So we go here, projects, new project, and then we're going to name it something like, I'm just going to do fitness coach, which I have written here, fitness coach for the abs, great. I'm going to create the project there, awesome. This will be my new personal trainer. We're going to connect Apple Health or Health Connect. I'm pretty sure I already have this connected, but we're going to go into settings, permissions, and toggle on health and the calendar. So if we go here, settings, connectors. Oh, I might not have it on my computer. I have Google Calendar already hooked up, my Open Brain and some stuff. I believe for the health here, you have to do this on your mobile device. I believe I already have done that. If you're doing this on desktop, flip over to the mobile app here. Let me just show you really quick on my phone. Claude here, settings, permissions. Yep, so you'll just go into permissions right in here, and then you just toggle on the health and Google Calendar there. Connect Google Calendar, as I just showed you. That's already done for me. You can do this on your phone or desktop. And then we're going to paste in the project instructions. So those of you that are really new to Claude, this memory here, it can be edited over time. Let's go to a project, school build, right? Like I've been using this project for a bit, have a few chats, and see how I can now go in and update the memory on what I'm building. But if we go into Fitness Coach, there's no memory yet. You can upload files here, which the project will pull on. So when you think about like a large language model like Claude or OpenAI, they're trained on everything. They need to be able to answer pretty much everything. If you put it into a project, the project changes scopes in a way to only really focus on those files and what you're prompting it. So if we wanted to add in like Alex Ramosey's workout guide into here and then prompt it about that, that's how we would do that. But for now, we're going to focus on the instructions. So I'm going to paste in the project instructions, which is available down here. Go back to your fitness or customer promptions. This is the brain of your whole system. So we're going to go down here, grab this entire prompt, highlight it. It's a long one. We'll run through it in a second here, but I'm just going to get this done and paste. Great. Easy. Again, 5 minutes up here. Now tell Claude your goal. Open a conversation inside the prompt. Tell Claude what you want. I'm going to say, hey Claude, I'd like to get a 6-pack. We're going to let that run. So what you need, Claude Pro or Max Plan, pretty cheap. Apple Health integration, currently in beta, but it's available in the US if you're watching it there. And then Google Calendar, which is also free. Bonus, set up a daily auto check. I highly suggest this. You just go into Cowork and you can schedule a task. Or you can just set a reminder on your phone. Cowork's probably better. Now let's run through this full prompt. Great. Okay, so after we did the prompt, it's asking me what equipment. I have a full gym. How many days a week? I usually train around 6 days a week. What's your current fitness level? I'd say I'm intermediate. And it's going to come back to me with an answer there. So through this prompt, it goes through, you're my own personal fitness trainer. Step 1, learn about the user. It's going to prompt you about the user. Today's Ready Health meter with the data, daily decision. Again, it's pulling all this information here. Momentum check, soreness. It's going to ask how you're feeling. Again, just so much more data than a human personal trainer could. And I'm not saying it's not helpful to have still like a personal trainer for form and motivation and someone to keep you accountable, but I think this can also help as well. Progressive overload system, workout structure, how you want to structure that, weekly planning, monthly progress, nutrition guidance. It literally has everything, guys. Special occasions and how it actually works. So let's go back and see what's at here. How long can you work out? Let's do 60 minutes. I like to go early morning. Any injuries? No. And again, it's going to keep prompting you like this until the project learns everything about you. Great. So how it actually works, the daily decision engine. Every time you ask Claude for a workout, it pulls from your health data in the last 24 to 48 hours. And basically decides if you can work out based on your sleep frame and your other data. Same with the progressive overload and then the smart calendar integration here. You can basically plan with your Google Calendar. I'm not going to fly into complete detail here. Again, this guide is completely free. Anyone can click at top of the description. And then some things I include that you can say to your fitness coach. Should I train today? How am I doing this week? I'm bored of my workouts. Can we flip it up? I'm going to suggest you do this right now. If you're into fitness, this literally takes 5 minutes. And again, it's going to keep interviewing you here. But again, this is free to use. First link, top of the description. I'm in this community pretty much all day now. Yeah, hope to see you guys in there. Subscribe. Deuces.